Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vitamin C Mamaearth face wash. Start by wetting your face with lukewarm water, then dispense a pea to rice-sized amount into your palm. Massage gently in circular motions for about 30 seconds, focusing on oily or textured areas. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry with a clean towel. Follow with serum and moisturizer to lock in hydration and protect skin barrier. Apply the face wash with light pressure using your fingertips, not your nails, to avoid micro-tears. Concentrate on the T-zone if you have oily patches and on cheeks if texture bothers you. Rinse well and ensure no residue remains around the hairline or jaw. For best results, use consistently twice daily and layer with vitamin C serum or sunscreen in the morning to maximize brightening and protection. If you notice irritation, cut back to once every other day until your skin adapts, and discontinue if symptoms persist. Avoid mixing with strong exfoliants or retinoids immediately after use to reduce sensitivity. Always check ingredient lists if you have allergies, and consult a dermatologist for persistent concerns. Keeping your products sealed and stored in a cool, dark place helps maintain effectiveness and extends shelf.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.